When empires collide, the echoes of their clashes resonate through time, shaping the very fabric of history as powerful nations strive for dominance and glory. In the heat of conflict, leaders emerge, each wielding their own visions and ambitions, as the stakes rise higher with every decisive moment on the battlefield. As the dust settles after each encounter, heroes are born and legends are forged forever, altering the course of nations and the lives of countless individuals. In the wake of destruction, the possibility of peace emerges as former foes come together to seek a new path forward, bridging the divides that once seemed insurmountable. With time, the stories of these epic confrontations become lessons for future generations, reminding them of the sacrifices made and the enduring impact of warfare on civilization. As history unfolds, scholars and enthusiasts alike explore the legacies left behind, ensuring that the tales of triumph and tragedy continue to resonate across time. Through art and remembrance, society pays tribute to the resilience and spirit of those who faced the turmoil of war, ensuring their stories are never forgotten.